Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what ancient Egyptian sounded like. We'll explore how linguists use various methods, including the Coptic language and hieroglyphic clues, to reconstruct their speech. It's a fascinating journey into the past, piecing together sounds from thousands of years ago. Understanding their vocalizations helps us connect more deeply with their culture and history, revealing a vibrant auditory landscape. Reconstructing ancient Egyptian involves piecing together both vowels and consonants. Vowel sounds are particularly tricky, as they weren't explicitly written in hieroglyphs. However, by comparing with related languages and analyzing Greek transcriptions of Egyptian names, experts can make educated guesses about how they might have been pronounced. Consonants are generally more reliably reconstructed. Imagine hearing ancient Egyptians speak. Many sounds would feel familiar. For instance, some consonants resemble those in modern Arabic. The sound often approximated ah as in father, while other sounds like the ayin were guttural and distinct. It's a blend of familiar and unique phonetics, painting a rich auditory picture of their speech. Finally, remember that ancient Egyptian was not a static language. It evolved over thousands of years. This means pronunciation changed significantly across different historical periods, from Old Egyptian to Coptic. So, there wasn't just one single way they sounded. To learn more about managing your own resources, check out the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.